Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll talk about real estate digital marketing. Please watch the video for more information, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification to be informed about upcoming contents. Find out why digital marketing is so important in the booming real estate sector, whether you're a property owner or a real estate agent. What role does digital marketing play in real estate? Number 1. Long-term growth requires search engine visibility. According to Forbes, 93% of internet experiences begin with a search engine. Now, a strong real estate brand can help investors and home buyers have faith in your services. Because the market is crowded and establishing credibility is difficult. You will develop brand awareness and more leads once you have achieved ideal search engine visibility. Number 2. Understanding of the target audience outside of your locality. There will be a wide range of demographics among home buyers. You will not stand out from the competition if you invest your marketing strategies on the wrong audience. The target audience's focus areas in the real estate sector are: a first-time buyer between the ages of 20 and 35 is the type of customer we're looking for. Type of location for a first-time buyer, convenience to job, transportation, and other amenities are critical. The third point is that video marketing boosts conversions. According to a Lemon Light statistic, 86% of homebuyers prefer video to investigate a neighborhood. Links to pages with embedded videos receive 157% more organic traffic, according to other studies. Number 4. Assisting prospective customers at every stage of the sales process. With digital marketing, you may improve your sales funnel approach and make the prospect's home purchasing experience more pleasant, from the point of awareness through into the point of purchase. When it comes to making decisions or evaluating them, real estate professionals use customer relationship management technologies. One good example is Salesforce. CRM systems gather and categorize customer data in order to provide insights and comparisons on leads. These methods assist in identifying the cause of a sales decline. As a real estate digital marketer, you can use this information to influence future marketing communications. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share your views with us in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell. And thank you for watching.